Okay, yeah, this is my build of IB Crazy's SWR meter. I think I'm running a little bit lower power readings than he is because I'm using a 20 decibel. Yeah, the block. I can't even remember what the name of it is right now. But I put in the microwave chip, the capacitor and resistor, and then just running off a 200 milliwatt transmitter. And right now with the stock antenna that comes with my transmitter, I'm getting right around 130 millivolts DC. And then if I reverse it, you'll see that it reads properly. Hopefully we'll see. Let me kill the power to the transmitter. If I reverse this right here, this is the directional coupler, that's what I meant to say earlier. Ooh. There we go. Plug this back in here, came unplugged. And when I power it up with the same setup, I actually get right around -3 millivolts. So I don't know if it's the chip doing it or if that's just how it's running. It shows the effect if I cover the antenna, so it does react. So if there's anything I can change on that, that'd be good to know. Or if it is, or if that's alright for the readings. Not sure. If I swap the antenna out here, and throw on my, stay on the table, throw on my mad mushroom that I built here, I get a -0.2 millivolts reverse power, and then really doesn't change unless I actually grab the antenna physically and like squeeze it, then it starts changing. So I'll go to forward power real quick. And when I power it up, testing forward power, I'm getting right around 110. It's currently working its way up. 14. It'll slowly climb to right around 115 to 120. So it's not quite given the same power as what the dipole was reading. So I'm not sure why. I guess if anyone has some feedback on that. And then if I cover it, it actually detunes it and starts dropping it. And if I open it back up, it goes right around to that 120 that I was talking about. 121. So it's slowly climbing up a little bit. But so far, I mean, it is working. It's giving me a little different reading than what IB Crazy was, but I think he was using a 10 decibel directional coupler. And then if I go to my last one here, this is also a left-hand polarized mad mushroom. If I go to the last one, do forward power of my right-hand polarized Crosshair. Gives me right at 131, which was the same as the stock dipole. So I'm guessing this guy's a little more in tune, and maybe have to extend the lobes on that one. Not sure exactly on it, but we'll see. Hopefully you guys respond back, and I'll show you the reverse on this one. And then we will be done. And I'll post the capacitor and resistor measurements. It's a 1K resistor, but I can't remember the exact capacitor used. And then, so now this is reverse power, and it sits right at -1 reverse power, and then detunes when I touch it. So it doesn't really do too much right in front of it. I guess when you start getting close, it changes it a little bit. When I actually get real close within it, that's when it really changes. So if that's how it's supposed to be reading, and it's just because I have the 20 decibel that's reading very precise, I'd like the feedback. Thanks.